Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. We have been given to evaluate this one, so we need to integrate it. Okay, so to integrate this, we're going to say 1 over x there, and we have x minus 1 power 2. So we are integrating this one. So this will be equal to, we shall put a over x plus b over x minus 1 plus c over x minus 1 and the power 2. Okay, so what I've just done here is to put the letters A, B, C. Now what to put down here, you start with the x, you put it there, and here we've got power 2, meaning you start with the first one, you just put with power 1 like this. So here there is a power 1. The same thing, you copy it and you put a power 2. We are ending at power 2. So here, even if you don't show the brackets, it's fine the way it looks like that. After doing that, we now find the lowest common denominator here, which is which is x, and this right there, I guess you're able to see. So this is our lowest common denominator here, okay? And we're going to say equal to here, or in other ways, if you don't want to do what I've just done here, you can say the lowest common denominator is x minus 1 inside the brackets there and the power 2. And then you do this, because this is our lowest common denominator. So we're going to say x into x, or into this denominator, it will just be x minus 1 power 2 multiplied by this. So it will be a x minus 1 and the power 2 there, okay? Then we say plus, if we get this denominator into this, we shall remain with x here. It will just be bx, open bracket, x minus a 1, okay? And then here, see this denominator into this, we shall just remain with x, because this stuff and this will cancel. I guess somebody's following what I've done here, or what I'm doing. After that, we now simplify on top. So we shall have a x squared minus 2x plus a 1 there, plus b x there, we shall have this, and here this. So now forget about the denominator here. Once you reach this point, forget about this denominator, okay? We just work out what is on top here. We shall have a x squared minus there 2a x plus a. We just get rid of the brackets. Then we say plus, here we shall have b x squared, there bx plus cx. Okay, so now we're at this point. So what do we do now at this point? We now form the equations. So we are going to get this. Let me put it right here. So we're going to get a x squared. It will move with b plus b x squared. So this and this, we're following the degrees. They have got power 2's. So they have got, we've formed an equation here, and we shall say equal to a 0. So now where is this 0 coming from? You check this side. We just copy what is on top. We only have a 1. This 1. I guess you can see we have a 1. So we check. Do we have anything with power 2 here? No. To the left side? No. There is only 1. So we're going to put a 0. Nothing has got the power to this side. So next we go to this one with power 1 there. The highest power 1. So it will be this one. It will go with minus bx plus cx. which is equal to also a 0, because this side we don't have anything with x just. So we're done with this, which is right here, and this also, which is here. This one, it's this one here, this right here, and this, it's over here. We're just remaining with a. So it will be a is equal to, you check without variable here, without x, it's only a 1. So we shall put a 1 there. We are done here. So let's clean, we get some space. So this part is very important. We leave it the way it is. So now we can forget about the variables. We just say a plus b is equal to 0, which is right here. Negative 2a minus b plus c is also equal to 0. Next there, a is equal to 1. So we solve. We have solved already. A is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, then b will be equal to negative 1. Because if you put a 1 here, and we shall have 1 plus b. To solve for b, this 1 will cross the equal sign. It will be negative 1. Okay, so we have now two solutions here, a and b. To solve for c, we shall get this one here. So negative 2 here, negative 2a on a, we shall put a 1. We shall substitute because a is a 1. We shall substitute there, minus. On b, we shall put negative 1 plus c, which is equals to 0. We solve. This is what we have. And then we solve further, we shall get negative 1 plus c, which is equal to 0, meaning our c will be equal to a 1. It crosses the equal sign, it will be equal to 1. So we now have all the solutions. So we know our a, we said it's it's a 1 here. So we shall put our a here, 1, right here. Our b is a negative 1, so it will be minus 1 over x minus 1 there. Our c is a 1, so we put a 1 there, we shall have this. Okay, so here we clean up. I guess somebody's able to see what I've done. We just substitute the value of a, b, and c there. And integrate now. So we integrate these with respect to x. Here also dx, we are respecting x. So the integral here, it will be 1 over, the integral of 1 over x, it will just be ln of x. Here minus the integral of 1 over x minus 1, it will also be ln x minus 1. So this is the solution. The next one here, when we integrate 1 over x minus 1 to the power 2, the answer will just be minus 1 over x minus 1. Then you say plus c there. And this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye-bye.